This class will be a masterclass for beginners, intermediate, and even advanced artists in which we will be learning from the very basics. Hi guys, I'm Akanksha Agrawal. I'm a professional fine artist, a graphic illustrator, and an art educator. I have been painting since childhood and never really left it. For more than a decade now, I have painted tons and tons of wildlife like birds and animals. And being an architect graduate, I enjoy painting cityscapes, landscapes, and seascapes. And my artworks have been sold nationally and internationally. Follow me here on Skillshare or on my social media pages like Instagram to get the latest notifications of my future classes where I'll be teaching various mediums of traditional and digital. I have broken down the class in smaller, easy to practice modules. We'll start with practicing 10 different kinds of leaves each, 7 filler flowers and 3 main flowers. I will also be showing you how to mix each color, so even if you have the most basic 12 color watercolor set, you will be able to mix the rest of the colors. I will also talk about the composition to place the hero flower, the supporting flowers, the filler flowers and the leaves. With this, we will move on to the final class project, that is creating this most gorgeous looking floral bouquet which is ready to be framed and hung on your walls to bring about a lot of energy with the vibrant colors to any of the place you hang or keep. It can also be made into beautiful greeting cards or handmade gifts for the loved ones. The process of painting these flowers should be very calming and relaxing, and once you get the hang of it, it will transport you back to nature. So I hope you're as excited as I am and would love to see you in the class.